Okay, so a very popular question, both on the forum and in this chat, which I know you guys don't want to answer, but we're gonna do it. SAMP for Android. What are your thoughts on that?
I think our official stance was we're not going to support it directly, but we're going to give the tools so that anyone else can do it.
We don't want to support the existing SAMP mobile because the existing current version of SAMP mobile is based on stolen code.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very not legal.
So officially, as open multiplayer developers know, is the answer.
There is stolen versions of the source code out and about, so that's what the Android version is based on. We could, if we wanted to use that, we could have used that. We could have started from that code, updated the server, and written OpenMP using stolen code, and it would have been very illegal, and that's entirely the reason why we started OpenMP from scratch. Zero old source code in it. Like, you can compare them, and they are absolutely nothing alike.
Yeah.
Because we do not in any way condone stealing.
Correct. That's a very important point to
That's
reiterate.
true.
We do not support stolen code.
It would have been out years ago if we did.
Yeah.
People want to know why they should play OpenMP instead of MTA.
Well, we're still offering the same SAMP experience that everyone loves, but I guess we're now offering an upgrade path. More features down the line. A possible path for everyone to kind of like move forward. Like even at the stuff that everyone's wanted from SAMP for years. And a lot of people have left SAMP because SAMP has just been down the same path for a very long time. It's just not gone anywhere. Very little's been added, but now we're giving people the opportunity to add what they want now. After we've released it, they can we can add stuff, and that path's open now.
And MTA is great. I like MTA.
Yeah.
There's no beef there. Like, their map editor is great.
Yeah.
I always used to use it. MTA definitely has like better features. It is an objectively better thing than SAMP. But people just kind of like SAMP more. I don't know. It's kind of, I guess it stays closer to
That's
the
just
game.
having different goals.
Yeah,
It's
different
just having
goals really.
different goals.
MTA kind of feels more like Gary's mod in a way. Like, it's more of a sandbox type. Like create your own crazy multiplayer like game type thing. But
people like simplicity, so
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And the ability to join the server without downloading 500 megabytes of anime skins is always a good thing.
I guess it's SAMP and MTA serve slightly different markets. Why would you use this one instead of MTA? It's just the same reason why you'd use this SAMP instead of MTA. It's essentially SAMP.
Another question everyone hates. 0.3 DL. A lot of server owners asked if it will be compatible on first release so they can instantly switch their servers over.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
that was easy.
That was easy.
I think for the server it's very simple. For the client, I don't know.
Someone in chat had a really good question. Have you guys thought about making a workshop for OpenMP, something like how MTA has for maps, scripts, plugins, etc.?
That would be really cool.
It'd be cool. Yeah.
The question is, have we thought about it? The answer is no.
No, we're not
Really
quite
think
thinking
about
yet.
it.
But now we
I'm
are.
going to think about it now.
So thank you. What kind of things would you guys like to eventually add? Like, once it's all compatible and bugs are all sorted and everything, new things that you guys would like to see.
Sex animations.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
I want Unicode. I want the clown emojis in chat.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
emojis in chat.
emojis
clown
in
emojis
chat,
on
yeah.
chat.
Yeah.
The
It'd be
ability
nice.
for Russian people to talk to English people on the same server without having to change their code page.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
That would be great.
That's a revolutionary.
Oh yeah.
Bro.
It is revolutionary.
Multi-server clustering would be cool. There's a lot of Russian servers out there, and they run like 20 servers, and they're all like connected. And
Yeah.
I can imagine it's very
Nice.
janky in the back end. I think like facilitating that would be kind of neat.
Someone in chat just asked voice chat in OpenMP.
Do you want 12-year-olds shouting at you down the street? I don't think so.
Yeah, leave
I mean,
that
there are plugins
Discord.
out there,
Yeah.
and of course, with the
There's
client
better
and the
systems.
server out in the future, like if you want to do voice chat like plugins, then go wild.
People would like to know if it will be compatible with the Steam version of San Andreas, because obviously, as we know, SAMP is not.
Should be.
Yeah, MTA does it. I'm sure we can do it, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, oh yeah.
yeah.
It would just take a
There's
lot of
no
work.
reason
So
not to.
Okay, now the master list. People want to know what's going to happen with that. Will we have a paid list, etc., etc.?
It's not a for-profit project at all.
Yeah.
There have been ideas thrown around because people actually do genuinely want a way to, if they run a big server and it is kind of like a business, then they do want a way to kind of bump it to the top as like an investment kind of thing. And I appreciate that, and I've actually talked to quite a few people about that desire from the sort of larger server community. There are ideas, and I don't think we're quite ready to sort of discuss them all yet because they're not really fleshed out. But I have been working on the new server index, which is currently being deployed. It's essentially going to be like sampservers.net, but with an updated backend, and it'll support SAMP servers and, in future, OpenMP servers. And it's kind of going to be like the advertisements board from the forum, but better, because it's not on a forum. But yeah, it'll be like a dedicated website, and it'll be OpenMP/servers. And eventually that will turn into the list. As I said, like we're quite early on decisions like that, and I don't really know what the sort of team's consensus is, but I think we're probably not going to split servers into two separate lists, because that just kind of separates people into like the bad ones and the good ones in a way. Having the ability to give the smaller servers a chance to kind of get some visibility is good as well, because sometimes people make a really cool project and they can't pay to go onto the hosted list or whatever. But at the moment, it's just going to be like a list, and you can sort it by whatever you want and find servers. That'll be the first version.
Yeah.
So I think the really important thing to take away from that is that we are a not-for-profit project. So we're not going to create a server list purely for the intention of making money off of it.